Now let us zone in on one particular application of IoT, that is IIoT, that is Industrial IoT. Now, the Industrial IoT, that is Industrial Internet of Things, is a network of intelligent devices connected to form systems that monitor, collect, exchange, and analyze data to enhance manufacturing and industrial processes. IIoT uses the power of smart machines, sensors, and real time analytics to take advantage of the data that traditional machines have produced in industry for many years. The main idea behind IIoT is that smart machines are not only better than humans at capturing and analyzing data in real time, but they're also better at communicating important information that can be quite helpful to make a fast business decision and a decision with more accuracy. Smart sensors and actuators help companies to pick up on inefficiencies and problems in a faster way, which saves both time and money. IIoT holds a great potential in manufacturing because it helps in quality control, sustainable and green practices, supply chain traceability, and overall supply chain efficiency. Now, each IIoT ecosystem rather, consists of the following: devices that are capable to sense, communicate, and store information, public/private data communication infrastructure, analytics and applications that generate business information from raw data, storage for the data that is generated by IIoT devices. Now, these devices and intelligent sensors transmit information directly to the data communication infrastructure, where this raw data is converted into information about a certain machinery and how it is operating. This information is then used for predictive maintenance and to optimize business processes as well. So, this is all about a brief introduction to IIoT and the ecosystem of IIoT. IIoT is a very broad scale application, and thus, in this particular module, in this particular IoT course, we won't look much into it, but we'll definitely keep an eye on it.